Ay, sorry, mali po yung sagot. You know why? Kasi nga ganito yun. Di ba, remember this the algebra for the TV set? Di ba, remember sabi ko dito, 5t plus 8 is the perimeter of the TV. And then, the width measures 2t minus 4. And then, the width measures t minus 3. So, ito yung ginawa ko dito. We did algebra. Di ba, remember ito yung sagot? Tama. And then, on the right side, ang ginawa ko ay distribute. Remember, 2t minus 4, we multiply both sides by 2. So, distribute, we should get 4t, and that's supposed to be negative 8. Then, 2 times t is 2t, and then 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Yun pang sagot. Okay? Then, after that, you get to combine like terms. So, 4t plus 2t is 6t. Negative 8 minus negative 6 minus 6 is negative 14. Then, converting of the terms. We bring the 5t to the other side of the equation, and we should get 5t is equivalent to 5t is, ano to? T. And then t minus 14 is 8. Kaya pala we got it wrong. Kasi yung ginawa ko dito, I isolate the terms, I subtract on both sides. Yeah, you can only subtract one at a time. Tsaka, dapat, I should add 14 para safe. Not set it to 0. Kasi nga, hindi siya quadratic. This is a linear equation. Kaya naman, that's exactly what happened. So, therefore, t is equivalent to 22. But that's 22. That's 22. But, not 22 inches. Because remember, we have to input that into our table of values. Nasaan na yung mga table of values namin? Ayan. So, ito yun na yung table of values. Okay? So, 5t minus plus 8, that's, remember, 5 times 22 is 10. Then, plus 8 is equivalent to 118 inches. Then, 2 times 22 is 44. Minus 4 is 40 inches. Yan. And then, the perimeter of the TV, t minus 3. So, that's 19. So, the perimeter of the TV is 118 inches. And then, these are the dimensions that we're supposed to be working for. Kasi nga, we need to solve for the area of the TV and then convert that to square feet. So, yun. So, to solve for the area of the TV, this is what we did. 40 times 19 is, 19 times 4 is 160 inches. And then, 1 inch, nasa ni solution? I'll find it first, ha? Okay, back to the equation again. So, we have the long wall, which is 435. And then, we have the, anong tawag dyan? The area of the wall, which is 5.27. If you want to know how did we get the area of the wall, ito yun. Diba, remember, we have 19 inches and 40 inches. Remember this, our TV, diba? Our TV, this one should be 40. This is 19. And then, we convert that into feet. Diba? Because that's in inches. So, 40 inches, convert that to feet. That's supposed to be 3.3333 feet. And then, 19 is 1.58 feet. Yun. And then, we multiply them both together, which is right here. Diba, remember ito yung ginawa ko? Ang ginawa ko, i-multiply ko, diba? So, yan. Wait lang po, ha. Put your phone down if you're not holding anything, right? I know. So, ito yun. Diba? We multiply the numbers together and we should get this answer. Okay? Multiplying both of these numbers should yield you to this answer. Then, to get the area left on the wall, we subtract. Remember, it's supposed to be the long wall. Nasaan yung long wall dito sa, ano yun, sa surface area na to? Ayun ako ang solution sheet ko. Grabe naman. Yan, 435. And then, we move it this way. Yan, that's the area left on the wall. Minus AG134. The AG134 is right here, which is 5277. And that is the area left. So, yun yung sagot sa letter C. Okay? How much room is left on the wall? Now, for letter D. D as in dog. Ay, nako, ilan pa? Now, here's the problem. And there's a king-size bed in this room, such that its volume is 1,944 cubic decimeters. The shape of the mattress is a square. Its dimensions measure a number thrice than the height. How much room is left in the bedroom and what is the area of the mattress? Whoa, ang hirap yan ha. Kasi nga this time, ito yun. Di ba remember ito yung bedroom namin? So, there's going to be a bed. Dito nilagay yung bed. Ito yung kama. Bed. If you're Filipino, kama is a bed. But in English, it means bed. So, di ba remember, kung nasa hotel rooms ka, ang kama, that is the bed itself. Okay? Tsaka di ba remember, just when I told you, kung dito yung si TV sa long wall, dito yung kama. Right beside the banyo. Okay? So, this is how we're going to do it. It says here that the bed has a volume of 1,944 cubic decimeters. So, ganito yun. I'll show you the drawing. Diba? Ito yung drawing ng bed. Tama? The bed looks like this. This is the bed mattress. Wait. This is the bed mattress. Ito yung mattress ng bed. Diba? Mattress. And then, wait lang ha. This is the mattress of the bed. And did you know, what did I say there? The mattress is a square. Tama? So, what can you conclude? That is a square prism. Yan. Because remember, it says the dimensions is a number. The mattress is a square, such that its dimensions measure a number thrice than the height. Yan, that means a number 3 times a number of the height. So, ibig sabihin, a number, di ba, a number is x. And then 3x. Yan. Check ko lang yung solution sheet ko, ah. Ay, mali pala. That's cubic decimeters pala. So, that's why we have to convert na naman. So, 1 cubic decimeter is 100 cubic cm. Tama? Kasi po, di ba, remember, teka, 100. Wait. Di ba, decimeter to centimeter, that's not 1,000. That's not 100. That's 1,000. Mali ako dito. Kasi po dapat, di ba remember, you know naman, in decimeter, 1 decimeter is 10 cm. If you were to square it, that's 100. So, this is supposed to be 1,000. So, dapat 10 cube siya. I'm so sorry. So, I hope this you will understand, okay? So, dapat this should be 1,000. So, we have to multiply this by 1,000. Okay? So, yun po, 1,944,000 cubic centimeters. And then with that, diba remember this one, zoom in ko ah. Wait lang. Ayan. So, diba remember this is 1,444. Tama? Before that, let's go up. Okay. So, diba remember this where we stopped at, diba? 6.45. So, diba remember this one, this is supposed to be 1,940. So, tama. The answer should be like this. And then, that's in cubic inches. Then, we have to convert that to cubic foot because that's a reference measure, alright? So, that one, we have to shift the decimal place to the left. Okay? So, I'm gonna move this. Shift to the left. Right, pala? And this should be our answer. 2,092.504185. Teka. And that is in cubic feet. Alright. And that is the answer. Okay? In cubic foot. That is the volume of the... kasi nga I forgot. That is a... Ay, nako, ito na naman. Nga. Mali na naman ako. That's a square pala. Kasi nga what you hold is, anong sinunod ko? Maybe because I was in a hurry. Yeah, kasi nga it says 1,944 cubic decimeter. Tama pala, 1,944. So that is the volume of the mattress. The volume of the mattress is 2,092.5045,185 cubic feet. That is the volume of the mattress. Pero, we're still not yet done. Kasi po, diba remember, ang sabi dito, what's the condition again sa mattress? The mattress is a number thrice than the height. So, when you say a number thrice than the height, it's 3x. And this is x. Okay? So this is the bed. Diba remember this is the bed? The area of the volume of the bed. Kasi nga, what did I mention here? There's a king size bed such that its volume is, 1,944 cubic decimeters. Tama? The shape of a mattress is a square. Ah! Kaya pala. Square pala talaga yung shape ng mattress. And then, it's a number thrice than the height. So, ito yung ginawa ko. For the bed, I did algebra. Diba remember, this is the bed. The volume of the bed, diba remember, it's length times width times height. Diba? Kung sa tingin mo, diba remember, if you were to look here, this is a bed. This is the top part. This is the width. And then this is the side. So, yun po yung bed. Yun. So, it should consist of 6 dimensions. Just like this. Okay? Now, back to the problem. So, diba remember, this is the volume. 1,944. And then it says here, kaya pala yun yung ginawa ko. That is, what did I say here? A number thrice than the height. Kasi yung dimensions, it's not just one dimension, it's two. So, kaya pala ganito yung ginawa ko. It's 3x times x. So, ganito kasi yun. This is the x, and then the height is x again. Yun. So, 3x times x. So, that becomes 3x. 3 times 3 is 9. And then, x times x times x is x cubed. And then, we divide both sides by 9. So, we should get 216. Taking the cube root, we should get 6. So, that is 6. 6 what? 6 feet. Yun. Tama ba? So, yan. So, diba remember, this is our answer. 6 decimeters to 60 centimeters. So, that is 6 decimeters pala. 6 decimeters pala to. Kasi po, that's in cubic decimeters. Did I mention cubic decimeters to? Yes, it's cubic decimeters. So, 6 decimeters, that's 60 cm. And then, we divide it so that we can get 60 cm. Then, 1 inch is 2.54 cm. So, 60 cm divided by 2.54, we should get this answer. Yun. The answer is 23.62. Yun. That's in square inch. And then, from feet, where is it na? From feet to inches. Yan. And this is supposed to be our answer. 1.96 feet. Okay? Now, where did I put that in the equation? Ito pala. Kasi nga, diba, this is the mattress. Kasi po, I said pala, this is the mattress, diba? 3x times 3x. That's why it's 18. Because 3 times 6 is 18. And 18 squared is, yan. Kasi nga, I have to convert it into 18. So, 18 is 180. Then, 180 divided by 2.54, that's 70. And the area of the mattress is, so tama, the area of the mattress is 5.9. So, if I were to look here, it's 5.90. That's the area of the mattress in square feet. Pero, hindi pa siya tapos. Kasi nga what you call this, ano to? Teka, bakit yung area ng mattress ko 37.8507? Ano ba to? Ano yung ginawa ko? Never mind na. Alam mo, never mind na if I can't get the answer right, ha? Kasi nga, I may not be a genius. Kasi po, what you call this, I know naman, this is a very hard problem, eh. And I told you, just what I said, this is only for Math Olympiad. So, yun. Yeah, so this is what I did. You might be wondering, where did I get the 70.86? And this is where it comes from. Ayun ako, ayoko na. Ang hirap talaga yung math na to, eh. Nasaan ba yan? Sige, mamaya na. Break muna tayo, guys.